Hey, hello everyone. In this episode, we are heading towards 3D camera in After Effects. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you create a composition, okay? And what should we have to add? Shape and text. Shape and text. Let's get shape. Text. Add a text like this, and text what tree. Alright, our text is tree, and okay, the color is beautiful of the caps lock. And now here we can on our 3D like this. You already know our 3D, and now create a new camera and copy the setting camera 1 and 24 mm. Okay, 24 mm. Press OK. Now create a new, add a null object, and copy the null one from camera just like this. You can show here and connect with null one. Okay, we have our tree text. Now we have to animate this in 3D. Now we have our text, and we have to animate this 3D by the help of 3D camera. Now first of all, we need to add a 3D camera. Go in new and add a camera. Copy the setting and place it in 24 mm. Okay, hit OK. Now we have our camera is ready. Now we can also animate this from camera. Look at this. Okay, but for easy peasy, so let's get a null object. Add a null object for better understanding, and connect your null object from camera just like this, null one. Okay, now our camera is connected from null one, and if I scale up and scale down in null one, then our camera is 2. If I position okay, and make sure guys you enable your 3D in your null one, and add a name, null object. That's your choice guys, if you want to name it, and if you want to not, then you can't. Now we have to switch in two views like this. Now this is our top view of tree text, and here is our camera, and this is our top view. Now we can animate this from here also and here also, like this. This is z-axis. Okay, now let's animate our null object. Press P in your null object, hit anchor point, and add a final anchor point 2. Okay, like this, and select your all the anchor points. Press F9, go in graph, and select your speed graph. Okay, we already learned about what is graph in After Effects. Now we just have to animate this and make a graph like this. Now our animation look like this. Okay, this is a camera movement guys. This is a camera movement. Camera is actually here in initial position, and this is the final position of the camera. This is the final position. Okay, understand? Now add a one more text, and okay, let's go with shape star. Okay, create a star and make it, place it into center align, and change the color of the, oh shit, this is not a center align, this is fucking align. Ew, what the fuck is happening here? Why? Oh shit. Wait. Okay, just double click it, and okay, we have to animate this manually. Why it's not working? I don't know. I think my After Effects is lagging. What the fuck guys, what the fuck? Okay, forget it. Now change the color of our darker. Okay, now place it from here under the camera and null object. Now our animations look like this. This is our text here, Okay, this is our text, and this is our, oh, we forget to enable our 3D in star tool. This is text and this is step layer. You can show here both are in similar position. Now we just need to drag it behind the camera. Alright, we can drag it from here and here also. I'm going with this is too easy. Drag it here. Okay, and press P in your press U in your null object, and this is our camera we made here. Okay, guys, we can show here this is our camera and this is our shape layer. We just need to put our shape layer more behind the camera so we can animate this easily. Now our animations look like this. First text appears, first text, and then again add a keyframe which go after the shape layer, like this, like this. Okay, and we can also animate our like this, and we just need to change the rotation of the star. Okay, here, and our camera is here. Now this is our camera, guys, and slide it bit more, and now we have to animate this in rotation direction. Press R and add an initial keyframe in Y direction. Yeah, this is a Y direction. Add an initial keyframe in Y direction and add a final keyframe in Y direction. Okay, and adjust your camera like this. And select your keyframe, press F9 and go in graph editor and make the graph like previous one. Okay, just drag it a bit more like this. Okay, everything is alright, guys. Now our animations feels like this. Okay, this is our 3D camera view, and we can make our camera more smoother by selecting these handles, and we can make it more curvy like this. Okay, you can show here a curve. Okay, and now our animations look like this. Alright, guys, we learned about our 3D camera in After Effects, and now we are heading towards part 2 in 3D camera. This is a basic, and now in next classes we are going to little bit advanced. Okay, and by the way, in this video, again and again I am saying that please practice at least 20 minutes in your day for mastery After Effects or any software. Alright, it's time to goodbye. Bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.